And you were talking today about a crime and mental health. Joining us as always are attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Gentlemen, thanks for being back on the show.
Thanks for having us.
All right, question time. Let's get to it. This one again involving a situation about a crime but someone who is in need of mental health treatment. If a person commits a crime but is in need of mental health treatment, can this be ordered as part of any probation? What happens here?
Well, let me first talk about the mental health issue. I did mental health work for 10 years, and I can tell you that this is something that comes up frequently. If somebody is in need of mental health treatment, it's either going to be on a voluntary or involuntary basis. If it's an involuntary basis, then that means that person is a danger to himself, others, or both, and they're going to have to go into a facility for that involuntary treatment. If it's a voluntary treatment, that means that they've recognized that they need some treatment, and it's going to be on an outpatient basis. In the context of the criminal aspect, I'm going to let Greg talk about that because he actually just went through this with one of our clients.
The answer is yes, with regard to what the court can do. See, the court has very, very broad discretion with sentencing, and if they recognize that mental health, anger management, drug and alcohol are issues, it's in their purview that they can actually say you have to go and get treatment as part of your terms and conditions of probation, and if you don't complete it, you don't get off probation. So that allows the courts to really try to structure a sentence that will better serve the client, the criminal who is trying to get back into society and be a productive member. So that's why it's important for the courts to listen and put the right treatments in place.
All right, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli, great advice. Our viewers that may have additional questions along these lines, how can they reach you guys? By
phone at 570-714-HURT or on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or you can like us on our Facebook page, and if you do, you can post a question for the Law and You. We'll do our best to answer it in an upcoming segment.
All right, results matter with our award-winning attorneys. Gentlemen, thanks so much. We'll catch you again next time.
Thanks for having us, Dave.
Get your question answered by these guys. Go to PAHomepage.com. It's that simple.